Welcome to GlasWerks DMV. Behind me, I have two brand new Porsche GT cars. Some may say the best Porsche GT cars that they make right now, and we have PPF on both of them. I want to take you through and show you the differences between a true straight kit application and then what we're known for, which is full disassembly, texture removal, going as crazy as we can to hide all the seams and edges. I wanted to show you, one, what to expect when you look at a straight kit versus a custom, and then two, what areas are covered and protected and what areas are you forgoing by doing a kit install. Starting with the front of the car, you'll notice on the 4RS, that's a full custom installation, there are no seams in the front PPF on the bumper. Obviously, being the most impacted part of the car, this is really important. Most of the paint's covered. We just see a difference between how close the edges of the kit get to covering all the paintwork versus our hand-cut custom installation method. Going up over the fenders, obviously we didn't pull the headlights out on the kit installation, so therefore you do see a little line of PPF right beside the headlight. Moving back along the doors of the vehicle, if we look above the mirror, there is a clear seam line because we didn't take the mirrors off the car. Do a really good job with these kits, but obviously, stretch, handling, they don't ever fall absolutely perfect where you can't see any of the edges. We also see a cut around the door handle, and if you look down in the door handle, there is an area that is just not protected. There's nothing we can do about that. That's just how it is because it is a kit installation once again. Moving around the back of the car, if we start looking at spoiler, antenna, and other things that protrude through the bodywork, we'll notice some not insignificant gaps in the film. And again, that is not any testament to my installers or the paint protection film. It's just the chosen methods of installation doesn't allow us to actually cover all of that stuff. The client opted not to remove any of the factory Spyder RS graphics or logos. We go over them with Steck Dyno Shield PPF, or anyone goes over them with a gloss paint protection film. It's going to change them to gloss. As well as changing them to gloss, you also see a pretty obvious airline around the logos themselves. It's one of the disadvantages of leaving the logos on the car and putting film directly over them. Coming around to the rear bumper, which a lot of people argue that the rear bumper is just as important as the front bumper, and we do agree. Traditionally speaking, the rear of the vehicle is the dirtiest part of the vehicle. Air gets kicked up, it's turbulent, deposits dust, dirt, oil. We do see live edges of film that would not be there if this was a custom bespoke installation.